Hello friends, welcome to VTech Academy. Today in this presentation, we are going to solve an example on quadratic equations. So given that the sum of the squares of two consecutive even numbers is 52, then we have to find the numbers. So first, let us consider the two consecutive even numbers as 2x and 2x plus 2. Now as mentioned that the squares of two consecutive numbers, so first let us square these numbers. On squaring, we get 2x whole square and the other consecutive number would be 2x plus 2 whole square. Now let us simplify this. So we have the first number as 2x whole square. This would come as 4x square. Then the next consecutive number is 2x plus 2 whole square. So we observe that this is in the form of a plus b whole square. And by writing this in the form of formula, we get a square, which is nothing but 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 2 plus 2 square. So this would come as 4x square plus 2 into 2x into 2 would come as 8x plus 2 square here is 4. So moving over to the question here, we are given with the sum of the squares of two consecutive numbers is 52. So let us add these two consecutive numbers. So on adding, we get here 4x square plus 4x square plus 8x plus 4. And according to the problem, this summation is equal to 52. So now let us add the like terms. Here we have two x square terms. So by adding 4x square plus 4x square, we get 8x square plus 8x plus 4 is equal to 52. Now let us take 4 as a common factor. We get 4 into 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 52. And now let us transfer 4 to the other side. We get here 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 52 divided by 4. So on simplifying, we get here 4 one time is 4 and 4 13 times is 52. Now let us transfer this 13 to the other side. We get here 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 13 is equal to 0. So that implies we get here 2x square plus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let us take here 2 as a common factor. We get 2 into x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us transfer 2 to the other side. We get x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us find the factors of this quadratic equation just by the factorization method. So here we have the constant term as minus 6 and the coefficient of x square as 1. On multiplying, we get here minus 6 into 1 as minus 6. Now the factors of minus 6 are 3 into minus 2. So by adding, we get 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. And this 1 is nothing but the coefficient of x, which is the middle term of the quadratic equation. So we can write this equation as x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let us take x as a common factor. From the first two terms, we get x into x plus 3. And by taking here minus 2 as a common factor, we get minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then again, let us take x plus 3 as a common factor. We get x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that implies we get here x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now by transferring 3 to the other side, we get here x is equal to minus 3, and here by transferring minus 2 to the other side, we get x is equal to 2. So we get here two values for the x. So first let us consider if the value of x is 2, then the consecutive number 2x would be 2 into 2, which would come as 4. And the other consecutive number 2x plus 2. On substituting here the value of x as 2, we get 2 into 2 plus 2. So this would come as 2 times is 4 plus 2, and this would be 6. So we get the consecutive numbers as 4 and 6 if x value is 2. And if let us consider the x value is minus 3, then we get the first consecutive number 2x is equal to 2 into minus 3, which would come as minus 6. And the other consecutive number would be just by substituting x is equal to minus 3 in 2x plus 2. So we get here 2 into minus 3 plus 2. That implies we get 2 into minus 3 as minus 6 plus 2. That implies we get minus 4. So we get the two consecutive numbers as minus 6 and minus 4 if the x value is minus 3. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve such examples on quadratic equations. Refer to more videos on quadratic equations on our website vtechacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care and bye.